see, Komunda had expressed inability to remove this debris because of the monsoon. High Court directed that the inspection be carried out by the CRZ authority to find out whether it is possible to remove this debris. Yesterday, an urgent inspection was carried out, and a report is submitted today to the court saying that it is possible to remove the debris before the onslaught of monsoon. Based on that report, the High Court has directed that within 2 weeks from today, the Komunda should remove the debris from its property, and it should file a report to the High Court also, and continuously it should report to the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority, and it will be monitored by the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. That is the order that is made insofar as the property belonging to the Komunda is concerned.
Yeah.
It has impacted the entire environment, and more particularly the mangroves. The endeavor of the court is actually to restore that mangrove, and to restore the mangrove, this debris has to be first removed, and that is required to be done. In fact, there was a direction earlier by the court to remove this debris by March of 2026. That has not happened. Thereafter, the time was extended up to May. The Komunda has failed to comply with those directions also, and it was requesting the court to push it further after monsoon. The court has not agreed, and court has told them to remove everything that is there within 2 weeks from today.